guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know the background's kind of weird, so I'm going to actually change that right now. But today I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm packing for my grandma's house, because I'm going to go sleep over at her house for 2 nights, I hope. Yeah, 2 nights. And my cousin's coming, but I'm not going to show his fidgets because I don't know if he'd want me to. I'm just going to show my fidgets that I'm bringing to my grandma's house. Alright, so, actually, I think my mom's actually on the phone with my grandma right now, too, but yeah, so I fixed the background, yeah, so I fixed everything. I fixed the background and the angle and everything, but yeah, so today I'm showing you guys what I'm bringing to my grandma's house, the fidgets. I'm not going to show, like, what I'm bringing, like, what clothes or whatever. I went for 2 nights, so that'll be a lot. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so let's start with the outside. So this is my backpack. I know it's kind of weird, I don't know. This is the biggest one I found. First I got this and it looks so good already. Yeah, I love it. My cousin also has a lingering one. I can't show you it because it's all over here. It was sitting in the sun, so it's easier to pop, but mine's louder. So yeah. And then I didn't pack yet. I just packed my fidgets. That's why the backpack looks so like small. Alright, so first thing I see is this snapper. It's a rainbow snapper. It's really easy to push. And then I see this lime marble mesh for nighttime. I like to just like have a quiet fidget like this. Can't hear that. I like the noise too. And I'm gonna like just put it under my blankets and like play with it, I guess. If I can go under the blanket, perhaps. I don't know. And I'm gonna show my poppets last because it's like the best part. Then I got this tang. Oh, I see everything. Make like a sea thing out of it. And then I kind of want to bring a wacky jack, but alright, next is this like pea popper shape thing. It's in my pea popper poppet. Yeah. Oh, I'm missing something. Alright, so I guess it was in my bag, but it's really small, so it's this like poop squishy thing. Yeah, it's not that squishy, but I don't care. It's like a bouncy ball kind of. Bouncy poop. And my poppet. Did you see it? Alright, so first, oh my gosh. This is a quiet side, and then this is a loud side. This is my best poppet and my favorite poppet. So, this is like tie-dye. It looks rainbow in the camera. That is so weird. It's actually like hot pink, light pink, yellow, orange, blue, cyan, a bunch of colors. Like it looks like it's rainbow, doesn't it? But it's not. Just in the camera it does. But yeah, it's so good. I'm probably gonna play with this a lot. And then I have this one. I feel like this is like a Play-Doh kind of thing or whatever. But I have a plastic outside puppet. I don't know. It's like a tie-dye poppers. Poppers are tie-dye, and it's really loud. Ready? And check out part 1 of my surprise video. I showed all the poppets I had, except, you know, I shouldn't show it now. I will. I didn't show this one. It's a rainbow one. Pretty loud. There's like putty on the sides and stuff. It's on the bottom of my poppets, and it's like there's a hole in it. But yeah, I've cleaned it before, so it smells really good. But yeah. Why is there a puppet on that? Right, sorry. But yeah, this outside hard puppet, I recommend. Oh my gosh, I totally freaking wanted both these. I got this one from Target. Well, my sister and cousin did. I have two of them. My cousin has one though. They're both this color and everything, but it's loud on both sides and I love it. Yeah. Right, so yeah. That's what I'm packing. That's what I'm packing for my grandma's house for 2 nights and days. I think. 2 nights. And wait, what? So I'm gonna go for 2 nights and about 1 day. Like 2 nights and a day and a half. Kind of. Yeah. I love my simple.